Hello, ma'am.
Assalamualaikum again. Assalamualaikum everyone. Good morning. How are you all?
Fine.
Okay, beta. Before starting today's class, let me ask some questions to you. Okay. If you know the answer, just raise your hand. Okay. Um, from where you get the food? From where you get the food? आप food कहाँ से लेते हो? From where you get the food? You can raise your hand for the answer. From where you get the food? Muhammad Ahmad. Yes, beta. Unmute yourself.
Then we get food from plants.
Very good. We get food from plants. Okay, the next one. From where we get meat or milk? Milk or meat? कहाँ से लेते हैं हम? Yes. Raise your hands. Yasar Khan. Okay, Kiran Arif. Unmute yourself.
मिस काउ से
Cow से. Okay. Means animal से. Right? Okay. What will happen if there is no animal and no plant on earth? क्या होगा अगर अर्थ से आपकी दुनिया से सारे प्लांट्स को सारे एनिमल्स को खत्म कर दिया जाए? Then what will happen? Yes, yes, sir. Unmute yourself.
Miss,
Yes.
then all the humans will die, and also oxygen will be reduced, and there will be a huge disaster on.
Very good. Very good. Perfect answer. If all the plants and all the animals vanish from the world, इस दुनिया से इनको खत्म कर दिया जाए, then what will happen? Then we will die. Human beings तो मर जाएंगे ना? Why? Because we depend on plants, we depend on animals for our food. हम अपने food के लिए किस पे depend करते हैं? Plants and animals, right? So that's our today's topic. That living thing depends upon each other. Right? This is our today's topic. That is Unit 1, Lesson 1. Living thing depends upon each other. कि एक living thing दूसरे living thing पे कैसे depend करता है? Important topics that we are going to discuss: photosynthesis, producers and consumers, and food chain. Right? Three main topics are present in this lesson: photosynthesis, producer and consumers, and food chain. One by one, we are going to discuss. Okay. When you get hungry, you grab a snack from your fridge or pantry. But what can plants do when they get hungry? Yes. जब आप भूखे होते हो तो आप खाना खा लेते हो, फ्रिज से ले लेते हो, स्टोर रूम से, ठीक है? But what can plants do when they get hungry? Plants क्या करते हैं जब उन्हें भूख लगती है? Anybody who want to answer? Mahvesh, yes beta.
मिस प्लांट्स make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. मिस उन्हें कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की नीड होती है, एयर की, और मिस वाटर अगर हम उन्हें देते हैं तो फिर भी वो कर लेते हैं मिस.
Very good, very good. Plant need different things. Plant need water, plant need carbon dioxide and especially the sunlight to get their food by the process of photosynthesis. Plant needs sunlight, water and home. What is the home of plant? Soil to grow. But where do they get their food? They make it themselves. Plants are the only producers that make their own food. Plant ही वो living thing है जो अपना खाना खुद prepare कर सकते हैं. Only plants. And through the process of photosynthesis. This process is called photosynthesis by which plants can make their own food. right? And for this process, they need three things, three main things, that are carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. I repeat again, plant need three things to prepare their food. And these three things are carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. Correct? Okay. Now the first one is photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? In which plant prepare their own food. But here is a definition. Photosynthesis is the process through which plants prepare their food. They use water and carbon dioxide and release excess oxygen into the air. As I told you in the previous slide, plant need three things to grow and to do the process of photosynthesis. These three things are sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. And they release oxygen. Actually, beta, the exchange of gases is the process of exchange of gases is opposite to the human in plants. For example, human beings take in oxygen and releases carbon dioxide, but plant take in carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. This is the difference. Exchange of gases is different in plants and human beings. Right. So what is photosynthesis? The process in which plant prepare their own food. As you see in the picture that is appear on your screen, plant get energy from the sun, means the sunlight, carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and the water from the soil, or you can say from the roots. Okay, and releases the oxygen. This is the process of photosynthesis. What is this? This is the structure of, yes, leaf. This is the structure of leaf. The one main thing that is present in this leaf is stomata. The structures, the holes that are present on the surface of the leaf are called stomata. Okay? What is the purpose of these holes on the surface of the leaf? Sunlight enters the leaf through those pores. Oxygen comes out from the leaf, or from, you can say, from the plant. Carbon dioxide enters through it, and water enters from the stem. There are some functions. बेटा लिटरली जब हम देखते हैं प्लांट को या फिर लीफ को, तो हमें ये पोर्स नजर नहीं आते, ठीक है? बट व्हेन वी फोकस, these are very small pores and they are called stomata. Sunlight and carbon dioxide enters into the plant through these pores and oxygen releases. This is the function of these stomata. Okay. Now here is a general equation of photosynthesis. As I told you, carbon dioxide CO2 means carbon dioxide plus water H2O. Then this is the arrow. Arrow mean in the presence of energy. This is the equation. A plant need what? Carbon dioxide, water, and the sunlight. Okay? In the presence of these three things, or as a result of these three things, it makes the sugar, means food, C6H12O6. You can say glucose, you can say sugar, you can say the food of the plant. Okay? We get the food of the plant as a result of these three things. And plus releases what? O2, that is oxygen. This is the general equation. And the green substance, the color, the green color of the plant is just because of the substance which is present in the leaves, that is chlorophyll, right? This is the general equation of photosynthesis. I repeat again. Carbon dioxide, CO2 plus H2O. In the presence of sunlight, plant make their food, or you can say glucose or sugar. Formula of that is C6H12O6 plus releases the oxygen, right? Now what are producers? Producer क्या होते हैं? Producers make their own food. The living things that make their own food are called producers. And obviously, producers are always plants. Green plants use energy from the sun to make food, and producers are on the bottom of the food chain. Further, I also explained you the food chain. Food chain अभी हम करेंगे कि what is food chain. ठीक है? So, what are producers? Living things that prepare their own food are called producers, or the living things that have the ability to prepare their own food. They do not depend on others. They make their own food. So, they are called producers. And plants are the only living things that we can say that these are producers. Understood? Okay. Now, what are consumers? What are consumers? Do you have any idea? Anyone who want to share? Do you have any idea? What are consumers? If producers make their own food, if the living thing that make their own food are called producers, then what are consumers? Yes, Dania. Dania, unmute yourself, beta. Don't want to answer? Okay. Izza Khan. Yes, Izza. Do you have any idea what are consumers?
Consumers cannot make their own food. They hunt and store food.
Okay, they cannot make their own food. Anyone else? Manahil Shahid. Yes, beta. Do you have any idea what are consumers? Unmute yourself. No? Jaisha. Yes.
मैम कंज्यूमर वो होते हैं जो हंट करते हैं और एक साथ वो अपने फूड नहीं बनाते हैं.
Okay.
Make the
Good. What are consumers? They are opposite to the producer. As the producer make their own food, they do not depend on others. But consumers are the animals that depend on other living things for their food, to fulfill their food requirements. ठीक है? They hunt, they gather, and they store the food because they cannot make their own food. And they are especially the animals. And yes, we are also consumers, the human beings. As I told you in the starting of the lesson, if there is no plant, no animal in the world, अगर दुनिया में कोई animal नहीं होगा, कोई plant नहीं होगा, तो can we survive? No, never. हम नहीं जिंदा रह सकते, हम survive नहीं कर सकते because we depend on other living things for our food. Okay, so consumers are the living things that depend on other living things for their food requirements. Now we have the three different types of consumers. Herbivores. The first one is herbivore. Second one is carnivore. And the third one is omnivore. I hope you have heard about these three terms in your previous class also. Let's see. Okay. Herbivore. What are herbivore? The organism which consume or eat only plants as their source of food. ऐसे तमाम लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म जो सिर्फ प्लांट्स को एज अ फूड यूज करते हैं, प्लांट को खाते हैं वो. ठीक है? दूसरे लिविंग थिंग्स मीट, गोश्त वगैरह को वो यूज नहीं करते फॉर देयर फूड, बल्कि सिर्फ किसको खाते हैं? प्लांट्स को. ग्रीन लीव्स. Right? These organisms are called herbivore. What are herbivore? The animals, the living things that only consume plant as their food. सिर्फ हरी चीजों को, सिर्फ plants को, सिर्फ leaves को खाते हैं. They are called herbivore. Examples are there: cow, rabbit, goat, deer, camel. ऐसा ही है. कभी आपने देखा है कि काव जो है वो ब्रोस्ट खा रही है बैठ के? नो ना. शी इज अ हर्बीवोर. ठीक है? प्लांट्स को जो है वो यूज करती है. ओके. Here are some examples of herbivore. These are herbivores. Elephant, zebra, cow, caterpillar, rabbit, goat. All of these are the examples of herbivore, very common animals. After that, we have carnivore. The organisms which eat other animals or meat only are called the carnivore. ऐसे animals जो कि दूसरे animals का गोश्त खाते हैं, they are called carnivore. ठीक है? Again, do you think कि lion ने कभी जो है वो ट्री को क्लाइम करके वो लीव्स खाए होंगे? No, ना. Lion, tiger, they are the animals. They hunt for their food. वो शिकार करते हैं अपने फूड के लिए and they only eat meat. सिर्फ गोश्त खाते हैं. So they are called the carnivore. Some other examples of carnivore are lion, wolf, orca, shark, tiger, crocodile. These are the examples of carnivore. Now omnivore. What are omnivore? The organisms which eat both plants, food as well as meat of animals are called the omnivore. Herbivore कौन थे जो सिर्फ plant eat कर रहे थे? And what are the carnivore? That eat only meat. But omnivores are the organism that eat both plants and meat as well. What do you think? What would be the best example for omnivore? Omnivore की best example क्या हो सकती है? Anyone? Any one of you? Yes. What would be the best example of omnivore? Ashmiza. Yes, Ashmiza.
Ma'am, human.
Very good. Human beings. Human being mean we are the best example of omnivore because we can eat plant in the form of vegetables and meat as well, right? The more examples of omnivore are bears, woodpeckers, mice, chickens, crab, and people. People mean we, the human beings. Okay? All of these are the examples of omnivore. So these are the three types of consumers that depend on other animals or other living things for their food requirement. Okay, this is the last important topic of this lesson, that is food chain. What is food chain? A food chain is the path by which energy passes from one living thing to another. What is food chain? एक ऐसा process जिसमें एक living thing से दूसरे living thing में energy transfer हो. How? How energy transfer from one living thing to another? For example, let me confirm one thing more. Each food chain starts with the plant. हर एक food chain जो है वो plant से ही start होती है because plant is the only living thing that is producer that can make their own food. Plant से पहले कोई हो ही नहीं सकता क्योंकि plant ही ऐसा living thing है जो अपना खाना खुद prepare कर रहा है. Right? For example, look at this food chain. Plant को कौन eat कर रहा है? Grasshopper. Then grasshopper is eaten by bird, any type of bird. Then this bird is eaten by snake, and then snake is eaten by owl. यानी plant से start हुआ और एक चीज दूसरी चीज को खा रही है और अपनी food requirement पूरी कर रही है. तो energy जो कि plant में थी, it transfer from one living thing to another. This is called the food chain. What is food chain? The process in which energy transfer from one living thing to another living thing. This is called the food chain. Correct? Okay. Here we have different food chains. You can see that the first food chain is the three-linked food chain. Can anybody read this food chain for me? The first food chain. You can raise your hand. Harim Hashmi. Yes, beta. Can you read the first food chain for me?
Corn, rabbit, and owl.
What is happening in this picture?
Miss rabbit को corn rabbit को खा रहा है, rabbit corn को खा रहा है और rat आउल को खा रहा है.
Rat owl को खा रहा है. Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else? Ashmiza. Yes, beta.
मैम फर्स्ट वन करूं.
Yes, beta. First one.
मैम कौन एक प्लांट है, कौन को रेड खा रहा है और रेड को ओवर कर, इसे 3 लाइन फूड चेन कहते हैं.
Very good. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Tayyib Mohsin. Can you read the second one for me? The second food chain for me? Tayyib Mohsin.
मैम प्लीज म्यूट मी.
Just a minute, beta. Yes, Tayyib Mohsin. Tayyib, can you hear me? Tayyib Mohsin.
Miss,
Okay, yes.
Miss, the second food chain is 4-link food chain,
Okay.
and in it we can see a carrot is eaten by a rabbit, the rabbit is eaten by a fox, and the fox is eaten by a lion.
Okay, and how many total organisms are present in this food chain?
4.
4. Very good. That's why it's called a 4-linked food chain. First of all, we count the organism, including plants, and then we said that it's a 3-linked, 4-linked, or 5-linked food chain. Now the last one. Who's gonna read it for me? The last one. Abdul Wase. Yes, beta. Abdul, unmute yourself.
First, grasshopper eat grass, and grasshopper is a frog, and frog is eaten by
Python.
some kind of snake, and a snake is eaten by an eagle.
Very good. How many organisms are present in this food chain? Count it, beta. How many organisms? Okay. The 5 organisms are present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why it is called a 5-linked food chain. Right? So what is food chain? A process, a path in which one organism is eaten by or another organism, and in this way energy can transfer from one living thing to another. This is called the food chain. We have different types of food chain: 3-linked, 4-linked, 5-linked, in which we have different animals. Okay. This is your homework. Question number 1 is write the equation of photosynthesis. Question number 2, you just have to write the equation. No need to write the complete definition of photosynthesis, right? Question number 2 is what is food chain? And question number 3 is differentiate between producers and consumers, right? This is all about your homework. I hope you have enjoyed the class. Kindly do your homework and WhatsApp it on my number. I'll check and return to you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz, all of you.